Hello students. Now today we will do the see this lab activity. So in this lab activity you can see uh, this lab activity today we are going to do. In this lab activity, see activity section. First lab session. Create a table with the given fields. Enter 10 records in it. So we have to create a table, and that table have the following fields given. Field 1 admission number, second roll number, third first name, fourth address, fifth father's name, fifth phone number, and sixth field is date of birth. And you have to save the database with the name students detail. Okay. Now see we are going to do it. How we create a database with the student details and how we add it. This activity we will do. Okay, so we are going to create a database. See here, database name is given students detail. So I will click in the file name. There I will write students detail. Okay, students detail, students detail. Students detail. Okay, the name is given students details. So let me give the space students details. Okay, after that we click on the create. Now that database is created. The name see students details. Now we have to design the table. So let us open the table in the design view. Click on the view tab, then the design view. Okay, now table name. Since it is a student table, so you can write that to student. Table name student. Information also you can write student information. Also you can write student information. Okay, so we write student information. Okay, student. Just a minute. Student information. Now click on OK. Okay, now we design the field. So first field is the admission number. So this is the ID field name. So write it here, admission number, admin number. Okay, so you can see admin underscore number, admin number. Okay, now press tab. This should not be the auto number, so it should be a number. Now tab next field C is the roll number. So write the roll number underscore roll number. It should be also a number. Roll number should be a number. Again we move. Now first name, third field is the first name. So we write F5 first underscore name. This should be a text data type. Now address, address, it should be a text. Now father's name. Okay, see the father's, that is underscore father's name. Next is the next you can see next field is the phone number and date of birth. Next field is phone number, phone, and we are typing phone number underscore. Now see phone number. Phone number should be a text. Next is the date of birth. Okay, DOB. So DOB, date of birth. Date of birth you can take either in the text form also, or here data type is date or time. So date or time also you can use date of birth. Okay. Now see, this design is over. Now to enter the records, open the table in the datasheet view. Again click on the view. Now here datasheet view. Now you must save the table. Okay. Now see, it is open in the datasheet view. Now one more thing you can see here. Ask modify the table and insert the field name age after the field's father name. So modify the table and insert the field name age. We have to insert the field name age after the field father's name. So after father name's age also we have to insert here. So that also we'll see how we can do that. And set the roll number as the primary key. Roll number we have to set the primary key. Insert a new field, date of joining at the end. Date of joining at the end, new field also we have to add. So now see how we can do it. Okay, maximize it. So after this father's name field, one more field we have to add, that is the age field. So after that, so click on the phone number tab here, make a right click and you'll find insert field. So see, after this field is added, now you have to rename the field. So here you have to again right click, you'll find the rename field. Okay, now that you can delete it and write the age. Write the age, press enter. Now it is done. Another thing, at the end also you have to add that is the date of joining. So here that also you can do it. Take to add, there you can find, is any other, no, its type is you are going to set. Click to add. See, that is we are going to joining data. So date and time you can set, date and time. Now we have set. Now rename the field. So what you want, that is the date of joining. So date, you can see what the name is given, exactly that only you give. So here date of joining, that you have to write entire. Okay, date of joining. Okay, we are writing date of joining. Date of joining. Okay, so that is completed. Similarly, now we have to add the record here. Now second, roll number we have to set the roll number, we have to set the primary. So select this roll number. Now to make it primary, you have to click on the primary key. So go on the create, just a minute. Okay, now first let add the values, then only we will be able to add it up. So here now. Okay, so admission number, some value you enter. So admission number 101. So roll number we are assigning, that is the 01. Now the first name you are writing, just where you have written the first name, going to write Ramesh. Next address you can write Basti. Next value, father's name you can write Dinesh. Next age you can set 15. Next phone number you can set. Next date of birth you can set. See, the date of birth here, this is given. So in this format also you can select here. So suppose selected here, you can take now you can, like this you can select a date. Line, now I am selected say 12. Now see 1/12/2011. 12, that is the first month. This is the month, this is the date, this is the year. Then this format is there, 1/12/2011. Okay, now the date of joining also you can set any, like 5, you can give 5. is the date, and also you can write the date of joining, that is 2019. Now we can move it, okay, like this we are given. Similarly you can add the another records also, okay. So okay, now make a right click on this. So if you want to freeze any field, that you can fill it. If you, so if you scroll, so that field will not move, that also we discussed in the last class. Rename the field options we have, okay. Now another thing, let us first open this table in the design view. Now there we see, so when we go in the design view, the question is set that you have to set the roll number as a primary key. Now you see, when you open the table in the design view, you will find this roll number. Select this field, the roll number, and make it primary. Now see, this primary key is on the roll. So when we click one times more, now primary key will be removed from this field, okay. Another see, primary key added. Now we open the table in the datasheet view. Again click on the view, go on the datasheet view. So that work also we have done. We have set the roll number field as a primary. So next another value you can add, like similarly here. So roll number you can set to, here also you can set Anuj. Address you can give Gorakhpur. Father's name you can give Vijay. Age you can give 60. Phone number you can give. Now date of birth also you can give any 5 to 1999. Date of joining also you can give 8 26, or also you can give 2005, like this, okay. Similarly you have to add 10 records in this, okay. Now you can understand how you will do it. So this is 2 records I have added. Now you can add the 10 records in this. So this activity section is over. As you can see here, whatever the questions is asked, like this you have to do. We have to modify the table that we have done. Age also we set, insert a new field, that also done. Modify the field father's name before the address field. So this father's name should be before the address field, that also you can see how the father's name should be the address field, before the address field. Father's name should come before the address. So you have to drag it. First you select it, and after that you drag it and bring it here before the address, okay. Now see, father's name before the address now is change. So like this you have to do it. Now next another operation. See what is asked here. Rename the field joining date. So how you rename, you understand that how you rename joining date, date of joining on that place. Click it, make a right click, rename field again you will get, and here you can write press backspace. Now you write the joining date. Okay, joining date, enter. So now it is done. So another thing you see, what you have to do, enter the record number 6 and change the information. So record number 6 you edit, add 2 more records at the end of the database, delete the record number 5, save the table. Now see how we delete any record, that also you see. So I have only 2 record, I want to delete this record. Click on this record header, okay, and after that you can click on the delete button also, delete key also on the keyboard, so they delete it. We are about to delete, yes, this is deleted. Like this also you can do it, or making a right click also you can delete it, okay. So this is all for today. So you practice at your home if you have the laptop or computer. So do all the lab activity sections of this exercise. Some others are also there, you can do the practice. See this, create a table with a given field, like that also you can do at your home if you have the computer laptop. If you don't have, don't worry, so when the school will be open, then you do it. So tomorrow I'll post the answer of this lesson 3 if I have not done. So prepare well. So lesson 1, 2 and 3 is for the first practical test. That is the syllabus. Okay. Lesson 1, 2 and 3 will come for the first periodical test. That is your syllabus. So this is all for today. Thank you for the attention.